We have been staying at a RV park here, and we are staying in a buddy site with some family friends that we met on the road. And the thing that brought us together is we have the same RV model. That's how Casey and Gwendolyn met. And so we have the same RV model. They have a smaller, younger family than we do. And so they are making a modification, and it's going to be to this area that I'm sitting in their RV. And so obviously we have the factory supplied couch. They have taken that out, but we are going to today be building a bench seat back here where they can have a table, a bench seat. But the cool thing about this is it's adding a lot of storage to their unit, because each of the seats will fold up and there will be storage underneath. So as we do this project, I thought it would be cool to bring you along for the ride to show you what we're doing and how simple it is to accomplish the project. I say it's going to be simple. We haven't tackled it yet, so here's to hoping it'll be simple. If you've ever wondered what the back of your rig looks like without a couch, now you know. No couch, no armrest. Soon there will be a bench here. We are tackling that today. We're about to head to Lowe's and get some lumber, head and pick up some tools, and we'll transform this space. Okay, so we made our tool run. You can see here in the back of the truck, we've got a miter saw, we've got a table saw, we've got an air compressor. Now, I don't know about you, but when I do a project, one tool run will be success. We're getting ready to go to Lowe's, and
that'll be our first trip to Lowe's.
We should probably place the over-under at about 3. You make a comment below. You think over or under 3 trips to Lowe's to complete this project?
Lowe's, trip 1.
We'll keep count. Hopefully this is the only time you see us with this update. All right, so we have all of our materials. I put all in quotes because I'm sure we'll be back for more, but there we go. Just after lunchtime, so we're going to grab a little something to eat and then we're going to get started. But we've got all of our tools and lumber right here under the nose of the RV, and we'll set up our wood shop right here. So if you happen to be staying here near our wood shop, we apologize. We are going to be as quick as we can be. We'll make the cuts quick and the noise will be diminished rapidly, we hope. Initial progress report. We've started cutting, we've started putting together. So right here you see we have the back wall. So that is going to be the back wall that the bench lids will sit down on. So everything is coming together so far. We'll keep you posted. All right, we've got a lot of the frame built. It's being taken in to see if we can fit it in place, carrying in the big pieces. We have proper supervision. 2 puppy dogs. Okay, so we've gotten this far. You can see the frame is built. The beadboard is done on these 2 sides. The way beadboard runs, we were unable to get all of the pieces we needed out of the 2 pieces we bought. So what does that equal? Lowe's trip number 2. So if you're counting along with us, trip number 2. So run in to get beadboard, come back, see if we can't finish this out with no further Lowe's trip. All right, here we are on trip 2. You can't make a project with 1 trip. You got to go with 2. So hopefully this will be the under. Hopefully we'll go with the under on the number of trips to Lowe's in the day. So number 2, here we come. All right, it is 8:30. We are wrapping up for the evening because we just discovered Lowe's trip number 3 is on the horizon. For tomorrow. And we should have set the over under at a half, like 3.5 or 2.5. All right, I decided to make the run tonight. I am at Lowe's for trip number 3, going in to get some wood shims. So Here we go. Hopefully I can find them quick. All right, trip number 3 was successful. Wood shims, furniture pads. So, good night to Lowe's. We'll see you in the morning for the rest of this story. Hopefully we'll be finished. With the construction part, there's still some finished work that Britton is going to do. He's going to take care of the painting. We've got some trim work to put on, but he's going to do a little bit of painting. We're going to do a little bit of sanding, and we should be all set. All right, no more trips to Lowe's.
Yeah, we're done.
The project is complete. There's a little bit of finished sanding and some painting that needs to be done, but we'll let you take a look. All kinds of storage to be had here. That's where the sanding needs to take place.
Kevin's wearing his Tim the Toolman hat today.
What?
Kevin can do it. In the end, this was a pretty simple one-day project with some sanding, staining, and painting left to be done at a later date. Here's a list of the supplies that we used to complete the project. We used 2 16-inch by 3 foot by 3/4 inch pine fir boards, 1 16 by 6 foot 3/4 inch pine fir board, 4 32 by 48 inch beaded white hardboard wainscot wall panels, 9 8-foot 2x4s, 3 8-foot 2x2s, 1 box of 2-inch wood screws, 2 boxes of 2.5-inch wood screws, 1 pack of 1 1/4 inch 18 gauge finish nails, 5 3-inch hinges, 1 pack of wood shims, which you wouldn't need to use if you're a better carpenter than me, 2 8-foot pieces of PVC quarter round, and 1 piece of corner molding, 8 foot long. So all of this brought the project in at just under $300 for a whole lot of extra storage space and some really cool seating for the family.